Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we explore the validation rule feature. Validation rules can be used to explain business policies and make forms easier to complete for users, ensuring the highest quality of data. When set up, validation rules appear at the top of the page, notifying you of one of 4 potential outcomes when creating, updating, or deleting form data. An error message rejects your form submission based on a condition. In this example, we're looking at time off, check sicknesses in the past. This is from the absence model of the time off pack template. This triggers if the user selects a date in the future when submitting a sickness record. A warning message allows you to save changes but provides you with a message that you may wish to consider. In this example, we're looking at the validation rule, check whether employee is a manager, in the person model. This triggers when we add a manager with no current direct reports to an employee. The warning message informs us that this could be a mistake. Information messages provide additional information. In this example, we're using a custom one for the award badges form, adding functionality on top of the badge cabinet template configuration. This informs the user that the awarded badges are visible to the whole organisation. Success messages confirm that you have submitted valid data. In this example, we're using a custom one for FAQs, adding functionality on top of the original FAQs template configuration. Congratulations! You successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.